In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image without losing quality in Photoshop. Resizing can seem intimidating, but it's actually straightforward once you know which setting matters most. The key to maintaining quality is keeping your image's proportions locked, so nothing stretches or squashes. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. With your image active, go up to the top menu and choose Image, then click Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog, which is where you'll make the change safely. In this window, you'll see fields for width and height. Between those two fields is a small link icon. This is the aspect ratio lock. Make sure that link icon is active. When it's on, Photoshop automatically keeps your image's proportions consistent, so if you change the width, the height updates automatically, and vice versa. This is the single most important step for preserving the natural look and avoiding distortion, which is often what people perceive as a loss of quality. With the link active, enter the new size for either the width or the height, only one. You can choose the unit that makes the most sense for your project, like pixels for digital use, or percentages if you want a simple scale up or down. Because the proportions are locked, you don't have to do any math, and your image will maintain its correct shape. As you adjust, you can watch how the other value updates to stay in sync. A quick note on quality expectations. Reducing an image is generally very safe and keeps things crisp. Enlarging can be trickier because you're asking Photoshop to add pixels that weren't there before. Subtle, moderate increases usually look fine, but big jumps can introduce softness. If you see the image preview on your canvas looking a bit blurry after a large increase, that's a sign you might want to scale up more gradually. The important thing is that you're not warping the image, thanks to the linked proportions. If you ever see your image looking stretched, that usually means the link icon was off. Simply undo, re-enable the link, and try again with just one dimension changed. When everything looks right and your new size is set, confirm the dialog to apply the change. That's all there is to it. Open the image, use image size, and keep that link icon active to guard your quality.